Malala, right about women's rights? Malala Yousafzai, a Pakistani native, started fighting for girls' rights to be educated when she was just 11 years old. When she was 14, the Taliban attempted to assassinate her. Her story started a worldwide movement in educating girls. Malala believes that everyone has the right to an education. She inspired a bill that passed in Pakistan called the Right to Education Bill in 2012 that gives all children in Pakistan ages 5 to 16 a free education. There is still some debate about the bill, but it is a step in the right direction. She co-founded the Malala Fund, which is working to help girls who otherwise would not have a chance to a free and safe education. Malala.org states that their goal for 2018 is to invest $100 million into girls' education in 10 developing countries. Her efforts have affected individuals too.
On the 9th of October 2012, the Taliban shot me on the left side of my forehead. They shot my friends too. They thought that the bullet would silence us, but they failed. And out of that silence came thousands of voices. So here I stand. So here I stand. So here I stand. Here I stand. One girl among many. I speak not for myself, but for those without a voice can be heard. Those who have fought for their rights. The right to live in peace. The right to be treated with dignity. The right to equality of opportunity. The right to be educated. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of our voice when we are silent. Today I'm focusing on women's rights and girls' education because they are suffering the most. We call upon all governments to ensure free compulsory education all over the world for every child. We cannot all succeed when half of us are not there. We call upon our sisters around the world to be brave. Around the world to be brave. To embrace the strength within themselves and realize their full potential. If we want to achieve our goal, then let us empower ourselves with the weapon of knowledge. And let us shield ourselves with unity and togetherness. So let us wage a glorious struggle against illiteracy, poverty, and terrorism. Let us pick up our books and our pens. They are our most powerful weapons. One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is the only solution. Thank you.
Educated women strengthen the economy and create jobs. The women can make more money and become innovators. They will spend the money, helping the private economy of their countries, and pay taxes to help their government. Educated women promote healthier citizens who raise healthier families. A woman who has been educated about bacteria and viruses and knows how to purify food and water can decrease premature births and early childhood deaths. Countries who embrace educating girls can also look forward to less poverty, less hunger, reduced income inequality, a more peaceful society, and a more stable community. Malala said, One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education just may be the answer to the violence in Pakistan.